lockdown, I've made a lot of new recipes and just had to learn how to do some things at home without going out. But otherwise, I'm super excited that we're kind of getting over this bump, and then I'm going to be able to get back to what I've been doing.
During lockdown, I've been baking a lot and just school on time and stuff.
Awesome. And how's it coming back? Are you excited to come back for braces?
Yes.
Yeah? You've been...
I'm excited to get my bottoms on and try to get them off as soon as possible.
Perfect. Yeah, you're on your way.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, I'm great to be back at OoLi Orthodontics.
All right, so this COVID pandemic has, quarantined me in my own home for a couple months, making me go crazy. And coming back here is a relief, so I can get checked up on my braces. And I was impressed with how they handled it, with procedures such as spraying down tables and making people, try to sign in outside is what I thought was smart. And
during the COVID-19, it's important to stay safe during social distancing, but it is nice to come back to OoLi Orthodontics to be able to finish my dental process and everything. And I know they're doing their best to try to keep us safe here, and I appreciate that from them.
I just want to say I was really nervous coming back from COVID and social distancing, but I really liked the protocols they had here, and I felt really comfortable after everything.
Action.
My experience in quarantine has been a little boring, but a lot of video games make up for that.
Awesome.
I'm glad that OoLi Orthodontics is taking many protocols, like having people wait outside to come in and all wearing face masks and shields. I think that's a great step towards being safe.
All right. Well, thanks very much. Anything? So you're all excited that we're back doing braces then, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully we'll get you done very soon.
Yep.
Perfect.
During quarantine, it was kind of boring, but then when I came back, everyone had a great attitude, and I loved it, and I took care of my braces, so I'm really happy, and I'm going to be moving on with my braces.
Awesome. Perfect. So you got a lot done during quarantine, even though it was boring?
Yeah, not that much, but I got some stuff.
Perfect.
With being in quarantine, it's been sometimes boring, but sometimes I just make it not boring by just coming up with something and trying to do something. Let's say making the tent in the backyard and sleeping in there and having campfires and just playing outside and throwing the football. And yeah, but today it wasn't as bad as I thought it was, because they were making it sound so dramatic, they're gonna have to make you put hand sanitizer and all that, but then I was in here and I was it's not that bad. And then so it made me just feel relief that now I'm done.
I don't know what to say.
Anything? How was your lockdown experience?
Pretty crazy. Boring.
Working a lot of hours, you
Yes.
said? Gotcha.
Working every day now. Back to work and back to the dentist. Yeah.
So how's it coming back to get your braces done?
Feels nice.
Yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. Great. Thanks for your input.
Yeah,
Awesome.
of course.
Action.
Quarantine was a little boring, but I played a lot of video games and learned a lot of stuff. And coming back to the dentist and OoLi made it a lot better. And I figured out I'm getting my braces off.
That is awesome. All right. All right, we'll welcome back. Action.
Alright, so when I was in lockdown, I was basically stuck at home. I mostly got by just helping out at home, maybe doing some video games.
Nice.
And when I heard that of an appointment, I got really excited to go. This was one of the first times I actually went out of the house, maybe going somewhere.
deal.
Yeah.
Perfect. Welcome back. Action.
Alright. I'm excited to be back here with Dr. Clark and the team. I say all of the safety precautions they have taken are on point that I've experienced in my job in healthcare, so I'm really excited that they're open and I can continue with my braces.
So you're busy during the break, during the lockdown.
I'm working, man, working more than ever.
Good deal.
Yep.
Air punch.
We went to our cousin's house. We got for the night, and then they called us that one of our cousin's friend, our cousin's cousin had the coronavirus, and we had to stay in quarantine for 2 weeks. We got out, and then we started doing online school for a while. Then we got out of school after about like 2 weeks later. Then we came to the orthodontist, and I kind of feel good to get out of the house.
All right. How about you, Adam?
What I did was play video games for our quarantine.
Action, Adam.
We went jogging to the mountains, you know what? I walked 3 miles.
Whoa, 3 miles.
Yeah, and back. And then we came to the orthodontist to fix my braces because my bracket fell out. And that's all.
So you guys excited about going on with your braces?
Yeah.
All right, air high five. All right, good deal.
I'm so glad OoLi's back open.